So Apple recently released iOS 12.2, and with that came a whole new set of Animojis. So inside your messaging app, if you tap on the Animoji icon here, you'll now see four new emojis. One is the giraffe, and it works the same way as the previous emojis worked. We also have the new shark, which is my personal favorite. You can do a lot of fun stuff, even going backwards and forwards with it. So if you've never tried Animojis, give it a try, but I find the shark to be the best. Also have an owl, which is kind of hard to see when you're using it. The mouth is dark and the tongue doesn't really come out as much. You can see it, but again, pretty cool. And lastly, I don't know what this is. It's the thing from The Lion King, a puma, I think his name was. I don't know, I can't remember, but some kind of like, it was like some kind of like pig. So those are the four new emojis added to iOS 12.2. You can check your updates in the General tab here under the software update of your settings application. If you don't know how to update your app, you can use the link in the description. It'll take you through how you can update. It's a video and you'll be able to update. As long as your phone is able to update to iOS 12, you should be able to update to iOS 12.2. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.